Welcome to episode 13 of Flow's Fundamentals. In this episode, we will cover the fundamentals of adding the KinderBunnies sets to your full set of Quest. Feed the Bunny cards, normally in KinderBunnies, would require the opponent to discard a special of cabbage or water. In Quest, they are converted to Feed the Bunny 1 cabbage unit or Feed the Bunny 1 water unit, respectively. Similarly, cabbage and water special cards are just like normal special cards, except they take one cabbage card from the market or one water card from the market. The mini Danish can be used to feed a bunny one cabbage or water unit. Safety hazards are one of the fundamental mechanics of the Kinder Booster. The owner of the bunny will roll the 10-sided dice, and if he rolls the number of the safety hazard, the bunny will survive. It's important to note that these are not weapons, so any card that refers to weapons will not affect safety hazards, and any card that refers to safety hazards will not affect weapons. There's also the bad news cards, which are very similar to terrible misfortunes, but importantly not terrible misfortunes. A noticeable difference is that if you have no bunnies, a bad news card is never played on an opponent. It will just be discarded. Any card that refers to bad news will not affect terrible misfortunes, and a card that refers to terrible misfortunes will not affect bad news. This has been episode 13 of Flow's Fundamentals, looking over a few of the fundamental mechanics with adding the KinderBunnies sets to your Quest full set. And as always, Jeff bless.